G'day guys, welcome back to the Whiskey Throttle Club. So if you've been following my channel for a bit, you've probably seen some of the modifications I've already done to my Harley-Davidson Sportster. And if you've put two and two together, you could probably guess the sort of style I'm going for with this motorbike. And it's a chopper style. Now, I'm not gonna hardtail the thing, so technically it is gonna be a soft chop, so don't hate me for that. But the next mod that I'm going to be doing is putting some bigger handlebars on. So getting rid of these stock handlebars and putting some mini apes onto it to see if it actually looks any better, handles any better, and feels any better. Let's jump into it. Welcome back to the Whiskey Throttle Club. All right, there we go. The old bars are off. Now we can throw the new bars on. Now I'm going to run these with the same line as the forks, and it'll be pretty good where it is. Now I'm going to take the brake line apart. Probably should have done this before I took everything off. All right, now time for the new brake line. Alright, now I've just test fit everything. Make sure it's all going to go back together, which it looks like it will. So now I've put my new grip on the throttle sleeve. Start putting everything back together for real now. Now I'm only going to throw one bolt in here just while I get all the clutch sorted out, and that's just so I can zip this back off again and then put that grip glue on. All right, day 2 of throwing on these handlebars. Now, I've got a couple of hours to myself while the young fellas at daycare, so I'm gonna try and smash out as much as possible. I have bled the front brake already, but I didn't film it because I've made another video on how to bleed brakes, so I'll post that as well. And I'm waiting for my clutch cable and new accelerator cables to come in from Bar Craft Handlebars, which is here in Oz. I'll throw a link down below if you want to give them a squeeze. But if you're liking this video so far, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of this content, make sure you smash that subscribe button as well. It's free and it helps the channel out, and I appreciate every single one of you that do subscribe. So let's jump into it. So because I'm going to run the indicator wires internally, I've done the first one and it just looks absolutely terrible. So I'll show you how to run the cables internally on one side, and then I won't show you the other side because I've got to take everything off and that will be boring. So you can use a vacuum, you can seal up all the holes apart from the bottom hole where you're going to feed your wires into. In the end hole you put the vacuum on and it just sucks it through. But what I'm going to try and do instead, because I tried that and it worked, but my patience is running pretty thin, so I'm just going to try to feed this wire down. And there we go, I can see it coming out of the bottom. Now the reason I've twisted it this way is just so I can get my pliers in there, and I'm just going to feed it around until my pliers can grab onto the end. Just like that, there we go. So with the wires I've already extended for the indicator, I'm literally just going to tape the wire I've just run through the handlebars to the existing wires that I'm going to connect to the indicator. Before we jump into the comparison of the before and after, I'm going to put the bike on charge, and while it's charging, just going to go through, double check everything's tightened down, torque to spec, make sure everything's sort of running right. I'll have to adjust the clutch, but I'll be able to do that before I take it out. So let's jump into that comparison. Hell yeah, here we go.
Front brake seems to be working fine. I just need to tighten up the accelerator cables, but I do have some from Bar Craft Handlebars, which I can put on later. But for now, I might just keep the stock ones on there and just ride for a bit. Maybe in winter I'll chuck the other ones on. What do you reckon? The old bars or the new bars? Let me know what you think in the comments, and like always, if you've enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of content. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.